Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day. Today's video I'm gonna be reviewing some brand new items. One brand new item, as today I am in general filming quite a few videos, hence I'm wearing the same top. If you're gonna see my previous video or video after, I'm not really sure which one I'm gonna post first, but I'm reviewing brand new Makeup Revolution products. I thought I'm gonna do individual videos so I can speak about it more rather than one long video testing out all the newbies. This video though, I'm gonna be reviewing the Makeup Revolution Matte Base Foundation. That's why I'm not wearing any product on my face. If you follow my channel, you guys probably know how oily my skin is, and if I find any makeup product that promises matte skin, then I'm first one to try it, you know. So this one says on the packaging, by the way, that is matte base pore blurring full coverage foundation. Promises a lot. If you, like me, have oily skin, you probably have super pronounced big pores, because that's what happens when you have oily skin. And trust me, my pores are huge, and that says that it's pore blurring, so literally can't wait to test this out. So this foundation promises so much, and it costs only £5, so I thought like I gotta try it. I didn't know really what color to go for, as I was checking this all online. I took in a F7, and they have description of all the colors that they sell. So this one, they say F7 is for medium skin tones with neutral undertone. I hope it's not too dark for me or too light, but from what I can see so far, looks like it's gonna be a perfect match, hopefully. They do 24 shades to begin with. So before I'm gonna do anything to my face, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the primer, as I love primers, and I'm gonna go with Revolution Pore Blur. I did a review on this already. It's gonna be linked in my description box below, and just check out the packaging. It's like matchy. So it's like made to be worn together, I think. So I'm gonna apply a little bit on my face. Mostly like around the nose. Start from the nose and just blend out what's left to the cheeks. Okay, let's open up this foundation because it's still wrapped. Haven't tested it out. Have no idea what to expect. So hopefully it's good, because it promises so much, but I mean, it's so cheap. I do love Makeup Revolution as a brand in general, because it's so super affordable, it's cruelty free and vegan friendly, and the formulas of the products is just amazing. Like every time I try a brand new Revolution product, the quality just goes. Do you know what I mean? Alright, let's open this up and test it out a little bit on the hand maybe. Will the color match? I guess we'll find out soon. If it's not gonna match, then oh well. So far on the hand, it blends like, whoa, I took far too much product obviously, but yeah, it blends so nicely on the hand. I like it, and the coverage is like there. I mean, look at my hand. Wow, so far impressed. So what I'm gonna do first is I am reviewing a few products in one go. I'm gonna apply a little bit of matte base concealer. Matte base foundation, it's supposed to go together, right? Agreed. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this concealer under my eyes to cover a bit of this rosacea that is going on in here. I hope this transfers through the camera lens and you see how red my cheeks are, because what I see in the mirror, pretty bad. By the way, I'm filming this review as well, and it's gonna be up on my channel. So concealer is on. Let's test out this matte base foundation. I can't wait. I really hope the color matches. Otherwise we'll need to bronze up a little bit, or to contour, you know, to highlight more, to kind of match it up. If color not gonna match, I'm really sorry guys. I bought it online, so I wasn't really sure about shades and all, even though descriptions are pretty good, I think. So I'm gonna take a the Miracle Sponge by Real Techniques. Dip some. Okay, color might actually be good. If it's too light, we can always bronze it up. If it's too dark, we can always light it up, right? So far, coverage looks like it's really there. Oh, wow. Pores are definitely like concealed. Okay guys, I gotta tell you, so far I absolutely loving it, because my pores looks blurred. Like, wow, I'm just looking in the mirror, I'm like, I can't believe I did on the half of the face. I'm not sure if you see a difference because I have this concealer on, but you guys, what I see in the mirror wow, so far humongous thumbs up from me for this matte base foundation by Revolution, because yeah, wow, I didn't even apply a lot of foundation. Like I had a tiny bit on a sponge. Okay, so a little goes a lot. It's definitely full coverage and it definitely blurred my pores, like my super pronounced big pores. Wow, I am beyond impressed so far. Yeah, speechless. For a change, I'm speechless. Shade wise, I think it's a little bit too light for me. I needed to go for a bit darker shade, but that's totally fine. We can bronze it up a little bit to match the rest of my body and my neck, so there's no problem in there. Okay, let's just apply some on this side as well, but so far, beyond impressed, guys. Looks like Makeup Revolution stepped up the game again, because as I mentioned, the level of the product just goes, you know. Okay, definitely too light shade for me a little bit. I thought I'm taking too dark shade actually when I was buying online. They described this as a medium tone skin with neutral undertone. I thought I'm a medium, turns out I'm a little bit darker than medium by the description. You guys, I had only one layer of the foundation. I mean, I wasn't building it up to get more coverage or anything, because a little bit goes a lot, trust me. And before you say anything, I'm well aware that I chose a little bit too light shade for my skin color, and so my face now looks a little bit too white, but there's no problem there. I can bronze it up or contour more. It's easy to fix. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna contour my face so it doesn't look as white, set it with the finishing powder, and I'm gonna get back to you to see how it looks, and then we're gonna do a wear test to see if it's really matte foundation and if my skin gonna get oilier or not, because my skin is super oily, and usually after I do makeup in around half an hour time, you can already see the face starting to shine a little bit. So I'll get back to you soon and we'll see how it works. Guys, I did a little bit of a cream contouring and the color looks so much better now. I think it doesn't look as light, but I definitely need to get a darker shade because this is just too light for me. So I think so far the foundation itself looks really good. It's really easy to blend. It's easy to build the coverage if you need to, although it's really full coverage, like a little goes a lot, and my pores are definitely blurred, like especially this area. My pores are, yeah, let's not go into that. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna apply some finishing powder, setting powder. This one is by Revolution because I'm using Revolution products, so this one is the Revolution Pro Pressed Finishing Powder, brand new by the way. I love this powder so much. I already repurchased, I think, third one. It's really good, especially if you have oily skin, guys. Couldn't recommend this more. So I'm just gonna set under the eyes mostly. So this is how the foundation looks just after application. Looks super matte. It's definitely full coverage as I mentioned, and my pores looks blurred for sure. It's not as pronounced as it is usually, trust me. So this is how it looks. What do you think? And I'm back, guys. So as you can tell, I did finish with my makeup, so it might look a little bit different from what I looked in the beginning of the video. I had now the foundation on for nearly 6 hours, like 6 hours-ish. I haven't done any touch-ups. Finished up my makeup. I had a dinner. The only thing I did, I retouched my lipstick because I had some food, so my lipstick worn off a little bit. But other than that, I haven't touched up, like I haven't blotted my face or, you know, used a little bit of more of a setting powder just to get rid of the shine. So for that reason, thumbs up from me for this foundation, for this matte base foundation, because it is really matte. If you have oily skin like I do, 6 hours without touch up, without, I mean, blotting up the excess oil and then doing a touch up. Don't go and do touch up before you blot that oil off, because you're just gonna make the situation worse. So what I want to say, foundation is amazing. Like, yeah, I do have oily skin and super huge pores, and my pores still looks blurred. It's not as pronounced as it would normally be, and the best part of all of that is that my face doesn't look shiny. I mean, it looks shiny on the top of my cheekbones because it's a highlighter, but my nose, this area, my forehead, my chin, take a look. No touch-ups whatsoever, no blotting, nothing. I especially left it the way it is. The only thing I think that annoyed me a little bit about this foundation, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it kind of went like, where is my nose, you know, on the side in here. The foundation kind of went in here. I'm not sure you're able to see because I did literally no touch-ups, nothing. I left it the way it is to sit on my face because I want to do like a proper test to show to you. So yeah, the only thing that annoys me, maybe I didn't blend it out properly. Maybe it's my fault, I don't know, but it kind of sits in here. I'm not sure if you're able to see that. So that's the only part that I want to do is, you know. Yeah, that's the only thing that annoyed me about this foundation, that it kind of went into here, like to sit in this part of my nose. So I think I might just blend it wrong around the nose. I didn't pay too much attention how I was blending in here, so it might be my fault. But other than that, it's definitely matte. It definitely works. My super oily skin is a proof. It still looks matte after wearing for 6 hours. So humongous thumbs up from me for this Makeup Revolution matte base foundation, guys. If you have oily skin like I do, recommend, definitely recommend. Test it out on yourself and let me know what you think. I'm sure it's gonna work for you because it worked for me. My oily skin approves this foundation, guys. Honestly, so good. And I think the combo of this Pore Blur made even better. This Pore Blur primer, because my pores are, yeah, it looks smooth. So that's the end of the video, guys. The end of this review. I'll definitely be using this foundation. I couldn't recommend more. I'm probably gonna go and buy a bit darker shade, although after bronzing and all, it looks okay, like it's matching, you know, the rest of my body. But other than that, a great product, huge improvement by Makeup Revolution. Couldn't recommend more. Thumbs up from me. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly, that would mean a lot to me. I would really appreciate that if you would hit that button. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see next on my channel. Should I review more makeup items? If you have something in particular, leave a comment down below, let me know. Or I should do more makeup tutorials or maybe vlogs, what you would like to see next on my channel. Let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Ciao for now, guys.